What in the digits is that? Is this like your sacred fortress of solitude or something? Huh?
That is prophecy. It's been downloaded from the internet.
Why did you bring me here?
It's becoming reality. Read it.
A world shall perish, consumed by darkness, a force of destruction stronger than Technus? Who's Technus?
Just read.
Once the black evil is successfully downloaded, the only savior's a program that is corrupted. Beaming pixels, a keyboard and a screwdriver are binarily foretold to be the only true answer. The path lies in a trail of deception and defeat. Do whatever is necessary, steal, kill, and cheat. Eliminate the rising threats, become the hero, shut down EJ 131540. So what?
What do you think?
Oh, right. It's nice. I really like the capitalized thingy at the end.
No. What do you think about what it claims? Are you ready to become the hero?
What hero? Me?
The prophecy. It foretells your name.
Hey, that's right. Awesome. Hey, hold on a sec. You knew about this? You knew that the terabytes would attack? So you were waiting for me to escape from Digitville, weren't you?
Yes. You see.
Why didn't you enter Digitville? You could have saved everyone.
I would have died along with everyone else before I could reach you. You are the true savior, not me. Why do you think you still functioned while everyone else froze?
Because I work on kerosene instead of electricity.
Just before you take me apart, I need you to connect your PS2 connector to the computer.
Why should I?
Because it will give you the power you require to save your homeland.
I feel stronger. Just one question though. Who is Technus?
Technus was a champion.
Huh?
He was a brave warrior who saved the world, including his homeland, Techtopia. Not only was he a hero, but also the Prince of Techtopia. His true name was Holo, son of Gran, but people called him Technus out of respect, which was short for his technology-ness, Prince Holo.
But he's old news, right? So, what does it have to do with anything?
Everything. Technus Nemesis swore to download his revenge on Techtopia one day, and now he fulfilled his promise.
Wait, so in order to save Digitville, I also have to save this Techtopia? Oh man.
You didn't understand a thing of the prophecy, did you? Fool, Techtopia is Digitville. Its name was only changed once Technus left it for reasons none knew.
Right. And who was Technus' arch-enemy again?
Did you get anything from the prophecy?
Not my problem you didn't encode it to English. Alright! A lake of kerosene. My fave.
Don't take too long, Screwdriver.
Chief!
It's the poisonous USBs. Your people are very fortunate that the Chosen One only has PS2 ports.
Come on, Chief. You're stronger than some USBs. You'll survive this.
No, I won't. Deadly viruses has been installed in my system. You better cut my essential wires before I turn against you, or something far more worse.
But, Chief...
Always remember the prophecy.
Ninjas! Armed with razor-sharp CDs and everything! Oh man, this is gonna be tricky.